Make sure to pack your ingredients well in order to get rid of any air bubbles. This will affect the quality of your print. The stopper should be cleaned and replaced prior to printing. The switch for the machine is on the right. Flip it on. The screen will now boot up and you'll be led to the control panel. Here, you can home the machine. Click the home button and you'll see the machine move to the front left corner. Now that the machine is homed, you can manually move the head by clicking Move on the control panel and manually changing the increments on each of the axes. At this point, make sure you have the correct nozzle so that you can properly set your Z offsets. If you click the extrusion button in the control panel, you'll be prompted with this screen where you can control the amount and the speed at which you extrude or retract the plunger. Click on the console tab to see the IP address for the machine. If it is not displayed, open the keyboard in the top right corner and type in M552 and click enter. Now you should see the IP address. If for some reason the IP address is not enabled, go back to the keyboard and type in M552 space S1, enter, and then type in M552, enter. You should now see the IP address. Once you run your starter code, open a new web browser and put in the IP address of the machine. You should now be able to control the machine from this user interface. Now is the time to make any last adjustments prior to printing. Click the upload and print button, double click your file, and you're good to go. The machine will now be printing your part. Good luck, and please clean up after yourself.